Shale, thank you for that story tonight. Only on Fox, for the first time, we are getting a look at evidence in a case of an inmate scheduled to be executed for a deadly armed robbery decades ago. We're diving into the files and sifting through those boxes of evidence, finding out how this all began.
So Richard Moore was convicted of robbing and killing James Mahoney in Spartanburg County in a convenience store way back in 1999. And only on Fox tonight, Brooklyn Cromer tells us what she's been able to uncover today.
Now, Brooklyn, you also tracked down the only witness inside the store when this happened. What did they tell you?
Well, 20 plus years later, he tells me the exact details of what happened. He says he still lives in fear and did not want to go on camera, but says he was only seconds away from death, and it's a miracle he survived. Boxes stored inside the Spartanburg County Clerk of Court's office hold evidence preserved in time. The contents of the boxes still handled with care. State law requires the evidence folders remain sealed, but a glimpse through the clear bags showing money, bullet casings, and weapons. All of it used in the capital murder trial against Richard Moore. The story first made headlines back in September 1999 after the armed robbery and shooting death of convenience store clerk James Mahoney at Nicky's Speed Mart in Spartanburg County. The store is no longer there, but case files give a picture of what happened inside. According to court documents, Moore did not bring a gun into the store, but shot James Mahoney with a weapon he found inside the store belonging to the store owner. Several guns, bullet fragments, and casings still inside boxes at the Spartanburg County Courthouse. Investigators say Moore made off with a money bag filled with $1,408. He was arrested a short time later. Investigators found the money bag and a loose pile of money, both covered in blood. All of this evidence used in his trial in 2001, when a judge sentenced him to death. Now, Moore's execution date is set for next week. He has chosen to die by firing squad. His attorneys have asked the Supreme Court for a stay while another court considers whether the state's capital punishment methods are constitutional. And I'll have much more from that witness I mentioned earlier in the story coming up at 11. Cody, Tori.